Hi friends, I'm excited to show you these couple things that I got in preparation for PAX West that's coming up next week. I got this attachment for my stereo field recorder and I got this vlogging accessory. It's basically a 2-in-1 tripod where you can use it as a selfie stick and it's pretty lightweight. It works with both standard attachments and it's compatible with GoPros. So this is the 2-in-1 selfie stick and here's the standard attachment. And I used it with this awesome phone holder that I have, and it's like a more sturdy version. Here it is right here. This phone attachment that is on my regular tripod. So normally I use this awesome gigantic tripod, but it's so heavy and it works similarly with the standard attachment for the phone or channel on my vlog, because at PAX I will be filming a vlog. And I'm totally open to including other creators and whoever else might be there who might like to be on my vlog. So see you at PAX, and I'll talk to you then, friends. Bye.